Murray, Utah is known for its charming blend of historic character and modern suburban living. Whether your home leans toward traditional or contemporary design, choosing the right window style can significantly impact your home's beauty, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. If you're considering new windows or a replacement, it's important to select a style that not only suits your home's architecture but also supports the local climate and your lifestyle. Let's explore the top window styles that fit perfectly in Murray homes. Double-hung windows. Classic and functional double-hung windows are among the most popular styles for homeowners in Murray, and for good reason. With two operable sashes that slide vertically, these windows allow for excellent airflow control and are easy to clean, especially if they tilt inwards. They're ideal for traditional homes with classic design elements. Upper story rooms, where safe ventilation is important. Homeowners looking for a versatile and timeless look. Double-hung windows also pair well with energy-efficient glass options to improve insulation during chilly winters and hot summers. Casement windows. Great for views and ventilation. Casement windows swing outward like a door using a hand crank. They're a great choice for homeowners who want to maximize their views and ventilation. Perfect for modern or ranch-style homes with wide window openings. Kitchens and bathrooms, where ventilation is key. Homeowners interested in tight seals for energy efficiency. In Murray's varied seasons, the compression seal around casement windows helps prevent drafts and contributes to lower energy bills. Picture windows. Framing Murray's scenic beauty. If your home has a stunning view, whether of the Wasatch Mountains or your beautifully landscaped backyard, picture windows are a great way to showcase it. These large, fixed-pane windows don't open, but they offer unobstructed views and bring in tons of natural light. Best suited for living rooms, stairwells, or entryways. Contemporary homes seeking sleek design. Energy-conscious homeowners when combined with low-E glass. Pair picture windows with smaller operable windows for added airflow. Sliding windows. Space-saving and stylish. Sliding windows glide horizontally along a track and are easy to operate. They are excellent for areas where space is limited but ventilation is still needed. Ideal for basements, bathrooms, or above kitchen counters. Mid-century and contemporary homes in Murray. Homeowners seeking low-maintenance, functional windows. Their simple design and wide openings allow for natural light and airflow without intruding on interior or exterior space. Bay and bow windows. Adding dimension and charm, bay and bow windows project outward from the exterior wall, creating a nook that adds space, light, and architectural interest. Great for dining areas or reading corners. Cottage-style or colonial homes. Those looking to enhance curb appeal and indoor openness. These windows often include a combination of fixed and operable panels and can serve as a beautiful focal point in your home. Awning windows. Small but mighty. Hinged at the top and opening outward, awning windows are perfect for letting air in, even during a light rain. Excellent for bathrooms, basements, or above doors and larger windows. Homeowners wanting added ventilation without compromising privacy. Pairing with other window styles for flexibility and design cohesion. Find your perfect match. Every home in Murray is unique, and your window choice should reflect both your taste and functional needs. Whether you're after improved energy efficiency, enhanced natural light, or better ventilation, the right window style can elevate your home's comfort and value. Before you decide, consult with a local window replacement specialist who understands Murray's climate and housing styles. With the right guidance and product selection, you can enjoy beautiful, long-lasting windows that fit your home perfectly, for years to come.